Today I'm going to show you how to get live Intercom data directly into your spreadsheet using Coefficient. Once you've installed Coefficient, launch the extension and select Import From. Then you'll want to add a connection. Here in the search bar, type in Intercom, select Connect, select your Intercom data center, and then Authorize. Here you'll review requested permissions, then select Authorize Access. Once you've successfully authorized, you can start your first import by selecting Start from Scratch. This will open the import preview, and here's where you'll select what data you want to import into your spreadsheet. With this connector, you can import many different objects. You can get ticket data, search articles, get contacts, help center articles, and so much more. So to get started today, I'm going to show you how to import a list of company contacts. To begin, you'll want to select Retrieve Companies, select Preview. Over here, you'll want to copy the ID, and then navigate back to Request, change the object to List Company Contacts, and paste in the company ID. Select Preview. From here, you can select all the fields available, or you can decide to curate the import exactly how you want it and select what is more meaningful for your use case. So for this example, I'm just going to add a few more fields. Then over here, you can select the drop-down to arrange the order of columns exactly how you would like so that each time your import refreshes, it maintains that same order. You can also drag and drop. Once you're happy with your curation, you can select Import. And now that your data is in your sheet, you can set up an auto refresh schedule on an hourly, daily, or weekly basis so that your data always stays up to date. Now that you know how to get started, you can begin pulling in your own Intercom data. We hope you give it a try for yourself, and thanks for watching.